India, a timeless and ancient land, rich in wisdom. Men and women excelled in pushing the boundaries of human enterprises and changing the world for the better.
One India says, give me a chance and I'll prove myself. The other India says, prove yourself first and maybe then.
Big six.
Proceeds of these industrial operations go to the Tata family. It does not.
Amid these titans shines the one among us, the one and only Indian who is entitled as the ambassador of the Indian human capital in Middle East. None but Padma Shri Dr. Ravi Pillai. Tracing the icon, in 1978 a young man armed with ambition and a burning desire to shape the world arrived in Saudi Arabia. Those were the days when industrial giants of the Middle East doubted the efficiency of the Indian workforce. Dr. Ravi Pillai changed these perceptions with his first very major contract to build the Royal Terminal Airport at Riyadh in the year 1979. The work was planned meticulously and finished ahead of time, leading to many more assignments that made him a shining example of industrial contractor. This in turn unlocked the professional excellence of Indians who were then able to join the oil industry in hundreds. After this successful attempt, he assembled Asians under the banner of Nasser S. Al Hajri Corporation in the Middle East. After giving intense technical training for heavy industrial construction, of course, there were initial stumbles, but soon it gave way to success and the rest is history. Today, Dr. Ravi Pillai remains an inspiring example of business success, personal dynamism, admirable simplicity, and compassionate service to the community. RP Group is having more than 30 companies, which employs over 70,000 people from all over the world. Of these, a staggering 50,000 are Indians. He has changed their lives and has added dignity to millions. The group is the second home to thousands of employees. Most of them have been with the company right from its inception. Now, their next generations have started flowing in. RP Group is obviously becoming an inevitable entity of the present and the future. This is not but a story of a person's growth from rags to riches. It is but the unveiling of an entrepreneur's victorious journey through life, who from his childhood dreamt of a mission with a vision. He made the company one of the most sought-after heavy industrial construction corporation in the oil and gas, petrochemicals, cement, power and steel sectors in the Middle East. Thanks to the prompt completion of various mega projects with utmost safety and quality, Dr. Pillai maintains very strong relationship with international EPC companies like ExxonMobil, Total, Shell, Dow, Saudi Aramco, SABIC, Bechtel, Dylim, JGC, ConocoPhillips, Qatar Petroleum, Samsung, and so on. After successful operations spanning all over the Middle East, now Dr. Pillai has spread his wings into Australia, African countries, United States, Korea, Hong Kong, and India. Subdivisions like petrochem and fabrication shops have added as supplements from time to time, comprising a powerful team of professionals equipped with a state-of-art construction equipment. no one has yet fully realized the wealth of sympathy, kindness, and generosity hidden in the soul of a child. The effort of every true education should be to unlock that treasure. Dr. Ravi Pillai is a visionary in the field of education too. Train, develop, and employ. OGM, based in Australia with branches in India and the Middle East, is the outcome of this philosophy. The New Millennium School Bahrain, the Upasana College of Nursing are the other examples of this legendary vision. The best and the hand-picked academia ensure that the talents of each and every student are nurtured flawlessly to perfection. He also went on his way to give free medical services to the poor. At the same time, he helped fulfill the aspirations of many young men and women by providing scholarships according to merit. As an industrial leader, he has served as an exemplary role model by being a mentor, friend, and a colleague at the same time. An astute, frequent traveling businessman, Dr. Ravi Pillai has a keen sense of observation and uses it to shape his global business empire according to what the different places want and how the needs of the communities can be tapped. Dr. Pillai ventured into establishing different business units in different places, understanding the regional needs. Hence, one could find differing arms of the RP Group spread across the different areas like hospitality, travel and tourism, trading, IT, healthcare and wellness, and so on. The journeys of Dr. Pillai have made him also realize that the magnificence of our culture and the enchanting beauty of our backwaters, the lush greenery, need to be exposed to the outer world. For this, there lies the necessity to establish world-class facilities with excellent infrastructure. The properties of RP Group under the hospitality fold are designed with this perspective in mind and boasts of outstanding facilities and services that are rendered with a homely touch. The group is still in the journey of unlocking nature's hidden treasures through the opening of new properties in India and abroad. His experiments in promoting work ethics like harnessing potential, encouraging teamwork, commitment, and motivation proved to be a success. Charity is an obsession for this great man, helping the victims of the natural calamities ranging through the Gujarat earthquake, Asian tsunami, and up to the recent typhoon in Philippines. The charity activities of RP Foundation, the charity wing of RP Group, are endless. In addition to this much acclaimed mass marriages ceremonies, wherein more than 450 youths from different walks of life tied nuptial knots until now. The assistants include providing homes to the homeless, rehabilitation of the ill-stricken and the destitute. In recognition of his hard work and achievements, Dr. Ravi Pillai has been honored with various awards globally, including recognitions from ruling family, apart from the much coveted Padma Shri and the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman from the Government of India. And the list of other recognitions line up. The list goes on. The various accolades and honors haven't changed Dr. Pillai. Inside him deep is still the same simple man with a simple but great dream to continue the mission of service and to add flavor to the life of the comments. We pay sincere respect to the presence of this great man in our midst. May you continue to touch and transform the lives of thousands around the world.